You all welcome back to the video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix payment not completed error on your app store on your iPhone or iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, what you need to do is just go back to your home screen, and there are a couple of methods to solve this problem. So for the very first thing, what you need to do is just tap here on your settings icon, and then from here tap on your Apple ID, and from here what you need to do is just sign out your Apple ID and then sign back in at least after 60 seconds and check whether you have able to purchase the apps. So if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the second one. For that, what you need to do is just here in the settings menu, scroll it down here and tap on screen time, and again scroll it down here and tap on content and privacy restrictions, and from here tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and from here tap on in-app purchases, and from here you have to make sure that you have check here at allow. So after this, check whether you have fixed your problem or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the third method. For that, here in the settings menu again, tap on your Apple ID, and now tap on media and purchases, and now tap on here on view account, and from here scroll it down, and here is the purchase history, and from here you have to make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, please remove them or pay for them, and then go back. And after that, what you need to do is just here country or region, so tap on this, and now tap on change country or region, and from here carefully you have to select your country from which your credit or debit card is made. Like I'm selecting here my country, United States, and now here are some terms and conditions, so you have to agree to them, so tap on agree. Again tap on agree to confirm the process, and then here you have to select your payment method. For example, I'm selecting here at none, and here you have to give your billing address. You can put fake information as well, and here you have to give the state, so I'm giving here my state as California, and here you have to carefully give your zip code for your state. In my case it's 90201, and here you have to give your phone number. You can put fake one as well, and then tap on next and tap on done. That's it. So after this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.